Hi there and welcome to Crush It. Today we're going to be trying to crush coins. Let's see what happens. First, let's try and crush the pennies. Wow, that really crushed them. Now you can see these. Now these are massive. Wow. Right, this is the original size and this is the flattened size. Quite a big difference. Oh, there's two here. Now we can really see how much these coins have been squashed. Now let's try and crush the bigger pennies. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Ha. Has crushed them so much. Wow. I was not expecting it to crush that much. Now, here is a normal sized penny. Here is our flattened penny. Doubled in size and about halved in thickness. If you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos and if you have any suggestions, then please write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next video.